You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious, confusing word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you for medical terms in particular. Cholesteatoma is how it's pronounced. So let's break it down. The first syllable is a k sound. It can be a bit more of a k sound or a ka sound, kind of depending on the accent. So k, ka, ka, all of those are correct pronunciations. And then cholesteatoma. Cholesteatoma, how to pronounce English pronunciation. Let's break it down. Listen carefully one last time. Cholesteatoma, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.